2019 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, trip computer, security system, compass, rear window defroster, brake assist, panic alarm. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.